guys ready for another construction update video? Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Real quick here, just realized that the construction walls over here are teasing something very important for the Jurassic World overlay. Now, in Jurassic World in Hollywood, there are 3 dinosaur encounters you can have. That, of course, is with Blue at Raptor Encounter, and once in a while they'll take out the big Triceratops that you can meet. And also, little baby Tango, the baby Velociraptor, you can meet as well over in Jurassic World and Universal Hollywood. And what do we have over here in Orlando on these construction walls? Well, we got baby raptors, we got Blue, and we got a Triceratops. A coincidence?
I think not!
The Jurassic hot dog stand is now closed and walled off. Now here we see both Jurassic Park hot dogs and the old vacation information place is both walled off. Look at this, guys. We're seeing some progress happening right now on the front of the Discovery Center. It's about time. I mean, all that's happening is they're moving dirt around. But still, it's something. It's better than what we've been seeing these past couple of weeks now. Literally nothing out there. Finally seeing something happen. Let's go see if we can get a closer look. that, guys. We got massive piles of dirt over there. That's, of course, where all these cranes are moving the dirt from here to over there and piling them up. Now, all this dirt movement, we can see construction on the coaster happening really soon. So make sure you stay up to date and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing this weekly, guys. It's happening weekly. Now, of course, in the last update, that was before the Universal's big announcement on their brand new theme park. They finally announced it, Universal's Epic Universe. They did show the concept art. I have an entire video going through the concept art. The concept art did not reveal a Jurassic World area in the park, which could mean that it's not coming to Epic Universe, and instead we are gonna get the re-theme here in Islands of Adventure. But there is still a possibility that they didn't show everything that Epic Universe has. Of course, in the concept art there is lots of room for expansion that is shown. However, there is one area that has a path leading into nowhere. Could be another land that they didn't announce or didn't want to reveal yet. Could be Jurassic World, could not. It's still kind of up in the air, but it's leaning more towards the re-theme happening here at IOA rather than it getting its own land in Jurassic World over at Epic Universe. What do you guys think? Comment below. And also, Universal did not reveal any details or mention anything at all about what's going on over here. They did not reveal the Velocicoaster, which I was kind of hoping they would. But, hey, you know, we'll give them the time they need to whenever they want to announce it. Construction for the coaster will start pretty soon with the putting in the pieces, the track pieces over here. So they should make an announcement before that happens. Otherwise, they're going to have roller coaster track pieces going into this area in front of guest view. Like, it's not that hidden. Look where I am right now. You can even see it from across the park at the very entrance of the park. So it's not going to be a secret once the roller coaster pieces start coming in. So they should make an official announcement pretty soon. Once again, stay subscribed to me. Keep up with my latest videos. I will cover everything as they break. Now, some of you guys might notice that my videos have been mainly Universal recently. Well, yeah, that's because I'm able to get to Universal a lot easier than Disney right now. I do not have a Disney annual pass at the moment, as I have let it expire a couple months ago so I can save up some money. And then I will rebuy my annual pass this month in preparation for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And I'm saving up a lot of money to get an annual pass and to get lots of merchandise at Galaxy's Edge, because I am a huge Star Wars fan. And I am extremely excited for Galaxy's Edge. So once that opens, you guys can expect a lot of Galaxy's Edge videos on this channel. But I will still continue to do weekly construction updates for this roller coaster. And if anything changes on that, then I will let you guys know. Because it's not a guarantee 100% I'll do this weekly. As the previous weeks, there's been nothing new happening. Of course, today we got lucky and we get to see all this dirt movement. But before, it's been absolutely nothing that's been happening. And if there are more days that continue to be nothing, I'll do it every other week or however. I'll let you guys know, I promise. Also, follow me on Instagram. I will let you guys know there first on everything. So follow me on Instagram at The Theme Park Dude. All that dirt. It's a lot of dirt. Looks like the rain is gonna come in here to Central Florida. It's a good thing I'm recording this right now as they're getting lots of work done before the rain comes. Let's go back up and get a better point of view from where we at before. Alright guys, well that about does it for this update for this week. Check back next week for another update on this Velocicoaster. We got a lot of progress going on, lots of dirt moving around. You can see the big mountain of dirt right there. So we got some progress finally, and hopefully we can just see more and more progress ramp up in this area. So make sure you subscribe, stay up to date, comment down below, let's have a discussion about this construction. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bright suns, literally bright suns.